So before cutting the chicken, we need to place chopping board. And what is the procedure to place the chopping board? First of all, I have to take out chopping board from here. You can use your duster also. I'm just going to use paper napkin over here. So I will just place 2 paper napkin here like this. And I will sprinkle some drop of water like this. So what will happen if you place your chopping board here, then it will be not move here and there. You can see it is totally stick with your table, and now there will be very less chance to slip it and you will perform your task easily. Now I am going to show you the various cuts of chopping board. Now I am going to show you various kind of cutting of chicken step by step. So first of all, I am just going to take this chicken. You can see the head of the chicken is already attached with this. So I have to first remove the head from here like this, and we have to place it over here. After that, what we need to do, first of all, you can see the pieces of chicken. So from here it is a fat part, so I am just going to cut it from here like this to remove the wings of the chicken. You can see this cutting is known as the wings of chicken. Same procedure I will follow for the next wing. It will be again cut it from there. So another wing I have take it out from there, from the chicken. After that, what I need to do, I will just go to show you how to remove leg piece from the chicken. So now to cut the leg piece of chicken, we have to just turn the chicken like this. You can see here there is a fat part. Okay, there is a fat part into the chicken. You can see here. So from there we have to just cut it like this. Always try to cut the chicken. Whenever you are going to cut the chicken, always try to cut from the joint of the bone, so it will be easier to cut. You can see now this part is mainly known as the drumstick. This is the part that is known as the drumstick part. This was only for the cuts of drumstick. If you want to take out the drumstick from the chicken, you can cut it like this. Another way to cut, if you are going to cut the leg piece whole with the thigh, then what you need to do, you have to just hold the chicken like this, and you have to just fold like this. Okay, like this, and you will place it over here. So what you will do, you will just take a knife and you will cut it from there. So this is the part of chicken. You can see it is with thigh, the drumstick with thigh. You can see it is drumstick with thigh. If you are going to take out whole leg, then you have to cut it like this. And what you need to do to remove the drumstick from here, you have to just find out the joint part. Always keep it in mind at the time of cutting of any kind of pieces from the meat. You have to always find out the joint part. So you can just see this is the joint part of this leg piece. I am just going to cut it very easily. It is cut by me. Now what we need to do, I have to just remove this part also from there. Again the another drumstick part or drumstick of chicken we have removed from chicken. So I am just going to place it into a tray. Now this is the part that is known as the thigh part. This is a part of chicken that is known as thigh part of chicken. I am going to cut another thigh of chicken from here. You can see, just look at this, it is a fat part over here. So from there I have to just place the knife and I have to cut it very easily like this. So I have just removed another thigh part also. Okay, I'm just going to place it. Mostly the chicken is going to be cut it into 8 part. So I have already shown you the 6 part of the chicken, 2 wings, 2 breast and 2 drumstick. Now I am going to show you the chicken breast part. So what I need to do, I have to just, you can see the fat part is attached with the breast and carcass. So I am just going to give a slit cut over there like this, and from both sides I have to give like this, and then I will just go to tear it from here like this. So you can see now we have got the breast part. Now you can see I have removed the breast part from the carcass. So this carcass is mainly going to be used for the preparation of a stock. What is stock? It is the nutritional benefit of that we extract from animal bones and vegetable. There are various kind of herbs is going to be used to into the preparation of a stock. I'll show you into next video how to prepare a stock with this carcass. So what we need to do, we have to just cut the breast part from here. Now we can see I have already cut the breast part into 2 parts. Now what I need to do, I will just go to remove this bone part. This is actually, it is a very soft bone of chicken body. I'm just going to remove it, and then I will show you how to get supreme from chicken breast. Now you can see there are mostly lots of chefs, whenever you will see and they are going to show you the cutting of chicken, that time they will tell you about the 8 cutting or 8 cuts of chicken. But today I am going to show you 2 extra cut, and what is that? Mainly it is known as chicken supreme. Chicken supreme is nothing else. I am not going to grow it from somewhere else, and I am not going to borrow it from somewhere else. It is the part of breast, and mainly this chicken, by this chicken supreme there are various kind of dishes are going to be prepared, such as in Mexico there is a dish that is known as chicken satay. What is chicken satay? It is going to be cooked with the help of a skewer, and chicken supreme is going to be used over there. So I am just going to show you how to take out chicken supreme from chicken breast. So you have to just place it, you have to just hold it, and then you have to pull it like this. Just look at this. Very easily you can remove the part. Actually this part of chicken is known as chicken supreme. It is, you can say it is a small part of breast. In another one also I am just going to show you. We have to just take the chicken, you have to pull it like this, and this part is this is the perfect shape of chicken supreme that is going to be used into the preparation of chicken satay in Mexico. As I have told you, mostly lots of chefs are going to show you the 8 cuts of pieces, but I am going to show you here total 10 cuts of chicken. You can see the first, these 2 part is known as the drumstick part. It is the cuts of chicken that is known as the drumstick part. I'm just going to place it once again over here. Then both of this is known as the thigh part. This is known as the thigh part. I have shown you how to cut the drumstick and thigh in 2 methods, and you have to follow according to your convenience. So I am just going to place the thigh part once again over here. Now you can see the chicken breast. You can see the chicken breast. It will be just look like the batter leaf. You can see, or it is just look like the little bit of heart shape. So from this chicken breast I have taken out 2 another things that is known as chicken supreme. These 2 parts, the little part of the breast is known as chicken supreme, and it is going to be used into various dishes at the time of preparation. And this 2 part is known as the wings of the chicken. Wing is basically going to be used into Chinese section or Asian section or into the Thai section. Now you can see this is known as wings of chicken. Both of this is known as the breast. Both of this is known as supreme, and both of this is known as the thigh part of chicken, and the last one, both of this is known as the drumstick part of chicken. So thank you very much. It was a nice video that we have recorded for all of you. Have a nice day.